ओ दोन्ही साईडला आहे. We are heading towards Hoover Dam, which is 45 minutes away from the main Las Vegas Strip. हे पूर्ण इंडस्ट्री एरिया वाटतं. येते मग सगळं डेझर्ट एरिया आहे. इथे घर आहेत वाटतं.
इथं गाव आहे ना ते बेलेवार का काहीतरी एवढा कॉलेज स्टेट कॉलेज म्हणून बंजार आहे पूर्ण.
घेऊन जातात. This is the view from the dam. We are standing on the dam and that is the bridge. Now we will walk up and go to the bridge and there would be a view of the dam. This is the view of the dam. We are standing on the bridge right now. And this is the Colorado River on which the dam has been built. It's a giant dam and it's a must visit when you come to Las Vegas. These are the 7 Magic Mountains in Las Vegas. This was basically placed in 2016 to celebrate and support the work of interesting artists and also to draw attention of Las Vegas, which also involves a lot of art. And this was placed only for 1 year, but due to its popularity it has been extended. So before we were going to Las Vegas, I had some research, and 31st December 2021 was the last day, and they were supposed to remove these stones, colorful stones, which are placed over here, but it's going to be extended for 1 more year, I guess. The scenery around the 7 Magic Mountains is also magical. You can see it's sunset time and it's so pretty around. It's beautiful, and these colors in middle of this open sky, it's looking beautiful.